Welcome to women's snowboard cross. There is only one Brazilian athlete competing in this event. Her name is Isabel Ribeiro. She was born on October 24th, 1976, and she is 41 years old and has competed in the past 4 Olympics. Snowboard cross has only been an Olympic sport since 2006. In snowboard cross, 4 to 6 snowboarders race down a narrow winding course as fast as they can, with bump, twists, and turns along the way. The rules to this event are: any intentional contact is a disqualification, and the judges choose what is intentional. Race leaders choose the line on the course but cannot intentionally block racers from passing them. Racers can request a review if they think a rule is violated. The equipment needed for this sport are snowboard, mouthguard, and some choose-to-wear body armor. There will be 10 races on February 16th from 10 a.m. to 12:56 p.m. Brazil has a population of 207.7 million people and is located in South America. Brazil has a climate of tropical savanna. Brazil has only 9 people participating in the Winter Olympics. Brazil has never won a medal in the Winter Olympics since they joined in 1992. The previous gold medalists from 2006 are Tanja Frieden from Switzerland, 2010 Mal Ricker from Canada, and 2014 Eva Samkova, Czech Republic. This sport debuted in 2006.